Make a great choice today with the 2017 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, daytime running lamps, braking assist, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find audio, speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control, child safety locks, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 rear floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.